Hey guys, welcome back. I am actually editing a video that I'm getting ready to upload for you guys, but I want to stop by and do an intro video this time and say hey. And if you all are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Ylanda, and I hope you consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you won't miss any of my future uploads. But on today's video, I'm just going to be doing some cooking and cleaning. Oh, and don't come for my hair, okay, in this video. It's an old wash and go. Okay, so it's dry and it's looking a little rough and patchy, but it's an old wash and go. But let's just go ahead and get started. I'm starting out in our bedroom, getting things put back into their proper places and getting this bed made. Then I'll be folding up some cleaning rags that I washed earlier and heading into the kitchen to get started on breakfast. So the tooth fairy visited my son last night and left him a good old $27, and this is the tooth here that I have in this bag. My son was having some type of technical issue with his tablet connecting to his keyboard, so I had to get that fixed for him before I continue on doing the things that I had to do. I had a few dishes that were in the sink that needed to be washed, so I want to go ahead and get that taken care of before I started cooking breakfast because I don't like to cook while the kitchen is dirty. So now I'm going to go ahead and line this pan with aluminum foil and place my bacon on it so that I can put it into the oven. I normally don't use the box directions on my pancakes, I just eyeball it, but today I decided to use the 6 to 8 pancake measurements, and I was a little skeptical because it was like really thin and it didn't look like it was going to be 6 to 8 pancakes, but it actually turned out to be 6 very thin pancakes. I can take back, I can stop feeling. How about you? I've been thinking about us and the things you said. How you don't feel to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much? just a little bit of milk to my eggs. It makes them nice and fluffy. Now it is time for the after breakfast cleaning. I did not clean as much as I normally do while I'm cooking, so I have a little more to do this time. So I'm being careful with the bacon drippings because I'm going to fold it in the foil and put it in the freezer bag and save it for a later recipe.
Time takes a toll on everyone, they say. Time is merciless, it won't wait for us to change. Time, I am stressing out, I can't figure out what to say. Oh, time, just give us time. Time, looking back on pictures, and I find it hard to see you and myself in places where we used to be. Oh, time, we got older, babe, and I wanna stay with you. Don't got time for games. Now what you wanna do? Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Every night, every day, promise will never change. Are you gonna love me with my flaws and all? Will we be enough, babe? you wanna do. Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Every night, every day, promise we'll never change. Tell me now.
So I'm going to set the oven on self-clean so I don't have to worry about scrubbing the oven, and go ahead and get started on the top of the stove before it gets really hot, and also clean the microwave.
If you will go with me all the way. Hey, hey, every night, every day, promise we'll never change. So are you gonna love me? Love me with my flaws and all. Will we be enough, baby? Promise me we'll never fall. Promise now you gonna love me. Love me with my flaws and all. Will we be enough, baby? Promise me we'll never fall. Never fall. Promise me, promise.
So before getting started on those dishes that I have in the sink now, I'm just going to give the floor a quick clean by using the Clorox disinfecting mopping pad, and then going over it with the steam mop before getting started on those dishes. I was debating on if I had to soak these grates in ammonia to get them clean, but they're not really that bad, so I can just scrub them a little bit using my scrubbing brush that I have under the sink with a little bit of dish detergent. So you guys know how much I love drinking water, mineral water, sparkling water, mineral sparkling water, flavored waters or whatever. But this is my new thing that I like, strawberry clear American water that I picked up from Walmart. And I also like their cream flavored waters as well.